What do we have here, boy? Hey, you see that in the sky? Do you see that in the sky, boy? What is that? What is that? All right. This is not normal. What you think, boy? Hey, boy. What do you think? You're not even looking in the sky. Look, you're missing it. There's a dude up there. What is that dude doing? Oh my gosh, that's crazy. I want to fly. I want to fly. Hey, buddy. Come on down here. Teach me how to fly. Wow, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Dude is just chilling. Chilling. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Wow. What do you think, Acuna?